Ka Sarkar Jala kan Ïakren khaddu bat ka Harijan Panchayat Committee halor ki benta ban Pynkynriah ya ki brio na Themyo Mawlong syaka jaka jongkan Municipal Board Habiva Road. Habakran cikilat patai kubor usembut Menteri Rangba ubadi pej ikatanat kampo yeng ka Sarkar Jala uba Prestun Tynsong ulaong. Baka Jingïalang ban yathir halor ka jing Pynkynriah ya ki brio na Themyo Mawlong kan dai hau benai ban wan. Kumbon skudo baka ni kamat ka ngat sa tuklar ru ha ka yeng ka seri Meghalaya na du usnam arjar khat prabat dangshan kalami hukum baka jing terwa Pynkynriah yan laispa saufu artali kilong yeng na Themyo Mawlong kala syempor palat ka yeng ka seri kalapan kai pot ru na Sarkar Jala ban pensyai ya ka jing ya chakmat ka ni ka kam ha ka sien sngap ban wan kata ha ka pratari unai weng arja arpulai.
This one, in fact, we are waiting only for the thing. We'll have one more meeting with them. Unfortunately, puja and all that just came in. So hopefully by next month we'll be able to call them and then sit once and for all, and then we will submit again the affidavit to the Honorable High Court.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.